Today we are going to learn how to create current asset. Current asset, that is, we have three current asset. One is bank account. Under current asset, and you should enter some amount here. Let's say I have some amount here that comes around DR, that is profit. And next one is general cash in hand, that is also come under current asset. I put some minimum 1800. I just put one like 80,000 rupees. This is the current asset, and I'm gonna create bank account as well. Bank account is based on your current account under bank account. Okay. Current account, you can keep whatever the balance or you have money that you can create.